In the heart of the mining disposal area, the Komatsu D85E Bulldozer plays a crucial role in maintaining road infrastructure and operational safety. As the machine approaches the safety berm, it begins leveling overburden material with precision. This process is essential to keep the haul road shoulders firm and stable, especially near the embankments, where erosion and uneven surfaces can pose a risk to heavy equipment. Proper grading helps ensure that haul trucks and other mining units can pass safely and efficiently through the disposal zone, even under demanding site conditions. After completing the task, the bulldozer operator carefully reverses the machine, scanning the surroundings and seeking a safe parking position. This phase not only marks the end of one work cycle but also reflects the discipline and skill involved in heavy machinery operation in modern mining. Every move counts. Precision and awareness are key to ensuring productivity, safety, and environmental stability across the mine site.